Nagbigay ng official statement ang aktor na grupo ng mga artista na kung saan ay hindi nila sinusuportahan ang nangyaring tila nga pambabastos sa artistang si Eva Darren at maituturing na isang iconic pagdating sa movie industry. Kaya naman ayon sa kanila, ang awards night ay celebration at ito din ang pagkakataon na ma-reunite ang mga dating artista. Narito ang naging pahayag ng aktor PH. An awards night is a moment of celebration extending beyond mere victory and trophies. It serves as a gathering for the entire community, offering a chance to unite and acknowledge the talents and artistry of each member. It is ironic that the event last Sunday, which was supposed to honor the iconic pillars of the country, was marred by an unfortunate incident that happened to one of our respected and beloved peers during a celebration with industry members at one of the oldest award giving bodies. We are deeply saddened by the seeming lapse in the management of the program. While acknowledging shortcomings in execution, our aim is to underscore the broader culture surrounding awards ceremonies. We aspire to revive the genuine essence of these events and bring back the glory of these gatherings by fostering intimate celebrations that recognize excellence and embrace every individual without fear of exclusion and discrimination. Now more than ever, it is crucial to safeguard and honor the Filipino film industry, restoring both respect and authenticity to its events. Actor, the League of the Filipino Actors extends its warmest support and solidarity to Miss Eva Darren. Sa puntong ito ay maraming netizen ang natuwa na ipakita nga ng aktor PH ang pagsuporta nila sa napakahusay na aktres na si Miss Eva Darren na hindi niya dapat naranasan ang ganong klaseng tila pagbaliwala sa kanyang presensya na kung saan ay siya ang inimbitahan para mag-present at ibigay nga ang award. Ayon sa mga fans, sana nga daw ay hindi na mangyari ang ganito at the expense ng mga veterana at mahuhusay nating artista.